If you're looking to find the best Cpap cleaner on the market today, I'm going to show you 3 different Cpap cleaners, 3 different styles. Each one is totally different. Each one has a plus and a minus, and I'm going to tell you all about all of the 3 Cpap cleaners that we have here at AffinityHM.com, and hopefully you'll gain some knowledge and some information that will help you find the right Cpap cleaner for you, depending on your lifestyle and your likes. So over here we've actually went ahead and set up 3 of the Cpap cleaners that are available. There are many other Cpap cleaners available on the market today, but these are just 3 examples of the types of Cpap cleaner. The Lumen Cpap cleaner, and the Lumen Bullet goes with the Lumen, and then finally the Purify 03, which is the tiniest one. So we'll get to that at the end. The Lumen, which I love. The Lumen is a wonderful machine. Now it has its upside and downside. The downside of the Lumen is that it only will clean your Cpap mask and or your Cpap humidifier chamber. And the way that it cleans is you actually open it up like this, and you place your Cpap mask or your humidifier chamber into the drawer. You shut it, and you notice it's got a green light. It's saying ready. You just hit that button right there, and it's in cycle now. This one actually uses UV light to clean. It does the same thing as the SoClean, it just uses a different thing to clean. The SoClean uses ozone, the Lumen uses light. Light does the same as ozone, it kills mold and bacteria very thoroughly, 99.9%, and that's the way it works. This one also only takes 5 minutes. So backing up, I did say it will not clean your Cpap tube, but it will clean your mask. But it also will clean a lot of other things. If you think about, around your house, maybe your toothbrush or your keys or the calculator on your desk, a baby, if you have a child, their pacifier, anything really that you think is germy, you can put it into the Lumen and it's going to clean it. 5 minutes later, you got a clean piece of equipment. So there's the good and the bad on the Lumen. Now finally, even more recently, they started coming out with portable Cpap cleaning machines. This one is the Purify 03. Now just look at this, and there are several on the market that go by different names. So if you're interested in a portable or a travel Cpap cleaner, make sure that the one you get is the Purify 03, because it's the one that actually you'll be certain to get the adapter that you will need, and also it comes with a little case. In order to clean your mask with your Purify 03, is you actually just, it comes with a little bag, and you put the Purify 03 into this little bag, and you put your mask into the bag with it, and you turn it on, and you zip up the little bag, and after a few minutes it's finished, it beeps, it lets you know that it's clean. So it's a 2-step process for cleaning. 1 step for your Cpap machine and hose, and then the other step for the Cpap mask. So that's the Purify 03. So the good part about the Purify 03 is it's so tiny. I mean, it can just travel with you very easily. You can keep your Cpap equipment clean while you're on vacation, so that's all good. And I guess the downside is really that it is a 2-step process. It takes a little bit longer than the SoClean would, but it's still a good machine. So basically, if you have any questions, we're on our YouTube, so you can type a question into comments. And also, we would love if you would subscribe to our channel. By the way, 1,000 subscribers as soon as we get there. I think we have a little over 500 subscribers right now. So please do subscribe to our channel. Hit the gray notification bell so you'll be sure to get the video whenever it first comes out. And thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.